If you have spent any time searching for AI tools online, you have probably encountered the same problem. Endless lists of 50 tools, half of which cost money, a quarter of which require technical setup, and a handful of which actually do something useful for a normal person living a normal life. Today, we cut through that completely. I am going to walk you through the AI tools that are genuinely free, genuinely useful, and genuinely suitable for someone who is not technical and does not want to be. No affiliate links, no sponsored recommendations, just the honest picture. Let us go through them one at a time, starting with the ones you are most likely to use every single day. The first and most important, ChatGPT. We have talked about this before, but it belongs at the top of this list because it is the most versatile AI tool available to ordinary people. The free version at chat.openai.com or the ChatGPT app gives you a capable AI assistant you can talk to in plain English about almost anything. Write things, understand things, plan things, learn things, get help with things you find difficult. The free version has some limits. It occasionally asks you to slow down if you use it heavily, and it uses an older version of the model than the paid plan. But for everyday use, for the kinds of things we have been discussing in this channel, the free version is genuinely excellent. Start here, stay here until you find yourself hitting limits regularly. Then consider paying, not before. The second, Google Gemini. If you have a Google account, and most people do, you already have access to Google's AI. Gemini is free and available at gemini.google.com or through the Gemini app. What makes Gemini particularly useful for everyday people is that it connects to Google's services. It can look things up in real time rather than working purely from what it was trained on. It can interact with Google Docs and Gmail if you use those. And because it is from Google, many people find the interface familiar and comfortable. It is a genuine alternative to ChatGPT. Different strengths, similar core capability. Worth trying both and seeing which one's responses you find more useful for the things you personally need. The third, Microsoft Copilot. If you use a Windows computer or the Edge browser, Microsoft Copilot is already built in. It is free and requires no additional account if you already have a Microsoft account. What makes Copilot specifically useful is that it is woven into tools many people already use: Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams. If your work or home life involves Microsoft Office, Copilot can help you within those documents directly rather than requiring you to switch to a separate tool. Summarizing a long document, drafting something in Word, getting help with a spreadsheet formula. These are things Copilot handles from inside the tool rather than in a separate window. The fourth, Canva's AI features. Canva is a design tool that many people already use for creating invitations, social media posts, simple documents, and presentations. It is free for the core features. Canva has built AI directly into its platform in ways that do not require you to understand AI at all. You can generate images from a description, use AI to suggest design layouts, write text for a design using AI assistants, and clean up or transform photos. If you ever need to make something visual and you feel you have no design skill, Canva, with its AI features, removes most of that barrier. You describe what you want and it helps you build it. The fifth, Notion AI, limited free. Notion is a notes and organisation tool. Its free plan includes a limited amount of AI assistance that resets monthly. For people who like to organise their thoughts, their projects, or their household information in a structured way, Notion AI can summarise notes, generate plans from rough ideas, and help structure information clearly. The free tier is limited but genuinely useful for occasional use. If you already use Notion or want a structured way to keep your thinking organised, it is worth exploring. The sixth, Grammarly. Grammarly's free version is not just a spell checker. It uses AI to suggest improvements to your writing as you type. It works in most places you write online, emails, documents, websites. It catches grammar errors, suggests clearer phrasing, and flags when something might read differently than you intended. For anyone who writes emails or documents regularly and wants more confidence that they sound clear and professional, the free version is genuinely useful. The seventh, Google's Notebook LM. This one is less well known and genuinely impressive for a specific use. Notebook LM is a free tool from Google that lets you upload documents, PDFs, articles, your own notes, and then have a conversation with AI about what is in them. The practical use is significant. Upload a long report, a medical document, a legal letter, a research paper, and then simply ask questions about it. What is the key point on page 3? What does this term mean in context? Summarize the main recommendations. It only works with the documents you give it. It does not go searching the internet, which actually makes it more trustworthy for specific documents because it stays within what you gave it. The eighth, YouTube itself. This one surprises people. YouTube now has AI-powered features built into many videos, automatic summaries on some videos, chapter markers, and enhanced search that finds content within videos, not just in titles. If you are using YouTube to learn something, which many people are increasingly doing, these features help you find the specific moment or explanation you need without watching an entire video. Worth knowing it exists. Now, the honest cautions. A few things worth saying clearly. Every one of these tools collects some data. Read the privacy settings for any tool you use regularly and understand what you are sharing. As we have discussed before, sensitive personal information should stay out of any of these tools. The AI features built into these tools are improving constantly. Something that was limited 6 months ago may be significantly better now. It is worth revisiting tools you tried and dismissed earlier. They may have grown into something more useful. And finally, do not try to learn all of these at once. Pick one, use it until it feels comfortable, then explore the next. The goal is not to know every AI tool. It is to have one or two that genuinely make your life easier on a regular basis. So, there is your honest guide. 8 free tools, each with a genuine use case, each accessible to someone with no technical background. ChatGPT for conversation and creation, Gemini for connected Google use, Copilot for Microsoft tools, Canva for visual things, Notion AI for organizing thoughts, Grammarly for writing confidence, Notebook LM for understanding specific documents, and YouTube's AI features for learning. Start with one. Use it this week. Notice where it helps. That is how understanding becomes habit, and habit is what actually changes things. If this was useful, subscribe and share it with one person who has been meaning to try some of these but did not know where to start. I will see you in the next short, and back here next Wednesday for something new. See you then.